Hey guys, it's me, Delta1, here with Airsoft Talk, and today I have an unboxing for you. And this is probably one of the most not really great views, so I'm going to figure out a better view somehow, because I don't have table right now. Kind of hard to figure out how I should do this one. Don't really want to go get a table, but I think I may have to. Oh, no, I got an idea. Okay, guys, so got the lighting and stuff set up. I just got home from work, so let's open this up. This is the Airsoft Project unboxing number 2. Let's see if I can get a little further up without the light destroying the view. There we go. Okay, got this from a good buddy. I appreciate it. If I find his YouTube channel, or if he gives it to me, I'll put a link in the description. It's actually kind of a crappy knife. I don't even know if I really want to use it. It's very flimsy, meant to scale fish. Can't even cut duct tape, which is very weird. Not really weird. More like a disappointment. Come on. Huh. Did not expect to get that. Whatever. Do what I want. Okay, looks like he sent me something that I wasn't quite expecting. Just totally awesome. Okay. Now how is this open? Screw this, I'm just cutting the box open. Oh, duh, I could have just cut down the middle. No, I couldn't have. Wow, this is very annoyingly packaged. It's a good thing, because that means it won't come. Wow, I'm stupid. There's a box cutter right here. God, I'm retarded. Cannot believe I totally missed that one. Alrighty then. Now we got that open. Ooh. First thing, I do not recall him sending me a jacket, but I will take the jacket and say thank you. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Will this fit me? Sweet. Did not expect that. Awesome sauce. Oh wow, he really did disassemble this to get it to fit. Huh. Okay, first thing he sent me is, I don't know what this went to, but this is, looks like 7 or 8 millimeter gearbox by Echo 1, so I'm going to say that's 7. So he sent me a gearbox, AK sling, a front receiver, which is nice and metally. What the crap is this? That's a spare receiver. I don't recall that. Another receiver. Top cover. Barrel assembly. A Palmer, seems to be a G&G receiver. It's stock. Butt plat. Pistol grip. Top rail. Very nice. Nice. Wiring. Another receiver. It's awesome. Kind of broken and whatnot, but it's salvageable. What else is in me? Another stalk. an SRC receiver. These are actually pretty good. Not gonna lie, if you're getting a TM one, I like these. It's very nice. Very nice. Pistol grip. Pretty nice. Hello. Underfolder. Awesome. Awesome to the max. Sweet. Did not recall getting that in the deal. Another barrel assembly of some kind of whatnot. Ooh! I like it. Oh, this is real steel. Not gonna fit. See about that, Joe. I'll make it fit. Another part to an AK. And then I got 1 mag, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 mags and a front sight. Guys, I'm going to make a bunch of AKs and cool stuff. If you missed it, I made a live show, and from now on, guys, I'm probably gonna say this and make another video and whatnot and stuff. But I'm going to, every time I work on a gun, I'm gonna make a video saying, "Hey guys, I'm gonna go work on a gun. You know, click link below. I'm gonna work on it if you want to watch me do it live." Big thanks to Cameron for moderating. Appreciate it. And thanks to him, he found me another hat. 2 other ones to be exact. So I'm getting a new one. But I'm not going to wear it until this one's not wearable anymore. Doesn't matter. Found another hat. Anyways, awesome deal. I appreciate the guy who sold this to me. He really wanted to help me out. I want to help him out. So guys, I appreciate it. And thanks for watching.